In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Monday.com account. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Monday.com homepage. Once you're there, sign into your account as you normally would. Make sure to enter your credentials carefully to access your profile. After logging in, you'll want to look towards the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. Click on that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains various options related to your account settings, so don't worry, you're in the right place. From this drop-down menu, select the option that says Administration. This section provides advanced settings for your account, including important options that you may need when managing your account. Once you've navigated to the Administration area, it's time to look for the next step. Now, locate the Billing section within the Administration area. This is where you can find anything related to your account's billing details, including subscription information and account closure options. Click on the Billing section to proceed. In this section, you will find various details about your account. Look carefully for an option that says Close My Account. Clicking this option will initiate the account closure process. It's crucial to read any prompt that comes up, as it'll explain the implications of closing your account, so take a moment to understand what you're proceeding with. After clicking to close your account, you might encounter a confirmation screen. At this point, Monday.com usually asks you for a bit of feedback, possibly including a short survey about why you've decided to leave. This input is quite valuable to them, so if you feel comfortable doing so, it can be worth sharing your thoughts. Don't forget to confirm your decision to proceed with the closure, as this is an important step in the process. Finally, you'll need to respond to any last prompts that may come up to finalize your account deletion. This may include a final confirmation or simple instructions that guide you through the last steps. After completing these, your account deletion process should be underway. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Monday.com account. Remember, once your account is closed, you won't be able to recover any of your data, so ensure that you have backed up any information you may need before proceeding. If you have found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking our video for more instructional content like this. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your new endeavors.